Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Anderson Insurance Group. My name is Andres, and today I'll be spilling the 3 secrets about your homeowner's insurance policy your agent doesn't want you to know. Thanks for tuning in. We're really glad you're here. Before we get into the industry secrets your agent doesn't want you to know, be sure to like this video and click subscribe down below. This helps other people who are confused about insurance hear about our channel. If anything in this video sparks more questions, please comment below. I'll be personally responding to your comment. Now, you're watching this video because you want to know the secrets about your homeowner's policy that your agent doesn't want you to know. As friendly as geckos, generals, cavemen, and ducks might seem, don't forget that insurance is a multi-billion-dollar market. A lot of these companies thrive off of your ignorance. We're here to share some knowledge and guide you towards making the most educated decision. For the next 30 seconds, I want you to think of all the insurance companies that you can. Odds are you name some of the bigger, more recognized names in the industry. There are over 200 insurance companies in the United States. This brings us to the first secret we wanted to share with you. Captive agents cannot offer you the best deal. What even is a captive agent? What is the alternative? A captive agent is an agent who can only represent one single company. He or she is captive to only selling the product from the company he or she works with. On the other end of the spectrum, we have independent agents. You might ask, what is an independent agent? An independent agent is a licensed insurance agent who has relationships with several insurance companies. This gives them more flexibility, creativity when developing your personalized protection plan. I don't know of very many people who actually enjoy calling up various insurance offices around town, giving them all their information, and waiting for several days just to get a quote. You can cover much more ground by calling a local independent agent. They take your information, plug it into all the companies they represent, and review all the different options and combinations. They do the heavy lifting for you. Generally, independent agents are more attentive and responsive when working with clients than a 1-800-insurance company might be. With independent agents, you get a real person in a real office in your city. Local independent agents are more aware of the particular laws and risks that affect your state and how to best provide protection for those risks. For a higher quality policy, and what I mean by quality is the quality of your insurance policy, that it's been put together properly, that it's going to have the coverage you actually need when those bad things happen to you. Those with the most options will give you the best quality because those independent agents have multiple companies to look at. If a company doesn't have a good quality policy, doesn't offer essential coverages, or has poor service, I can move on from that company and write a policy in one of my many other companies that perhaps offers better quality service, better endorsements you can add onto your policy, etc. I'm more likely to provide you with quality coverage in a quality company because I have options. Secret number 2, declarations page. I have here a physical copy of a homeowner's policy from one of the elite companies we represent and have a strong relationship with, Auto Owners. This packet contains over 100 pages saturated with legal and insurance jargon. A pro tip is to look through your mail to locate your policy's declaration page. Dec pages can be anywhere between 1 and 4 pages long. Your agent does not want you to read through your declarations page. Your agent knows that once you sniff around, it won't be long before you start to find deficiencies in your policy. Your declaration page contains all the important information declared in your insurance contract, including what is covered, the type of coverage, how much it's covered for, discounts on the policy, deductibles, and additional endorsements, which are like policy add-ons. Now, I know that all these terms and limits can get muddled and confusing. That's why we're making this video, to help expose the secrets your agent doesn't want you to know. It's in their benefit for you not to look at your deck page and start asking the hard questions. This would be a great time to reach out to your local independent agent. They can clarify misleading terms on the deck page, find places where your policy leaves you exposed, find additional discounts, and suggest where the policy limits should be adjusted. Secret number 3, is your agent over-insuring your home on purpose? Most folks believe that their homeowner's policy should insure their home for the purchase price or the market value. However, that's simply not how it works. Your home is insured for how much it would cost to rebuild your home from scratch. Let's say there's a massive fire and your house burns all the way down. Total loss, you're now homeless. The dwelling amount is the maximum amount that your insurance company would pay to rebuild your home. This limit is calculated by several different factors, such as the year built, square footage, and the materials with which your home is built. This is how it should be done. So let's say you buy a small home in a nice area. Market value is currently at $300,000, but this 1,000 square foot home would only cost $180,000, maybe $200,000 tops to rebuild. Agents who are more predatory than others will prey on this misinformation and will purposefully inflate the dwelling amount to match the market value. This gives you the illusion that your home is completely protected, while at the same time driving the premium or the cost of the policy unnecessarily higher. Your policy could have gaping holes in the coverage, but you have a false sense of security because of a high dwelling amount. Beware of this. Don't let your agent do this to you. Ask the hard questions. Congratulations on making it this far. You've now learned the 3 secrets your agent doesn't want you to know. We hope you leverage this information to your advantage. Drop your questions in the comments. I will personally respond. If you think this video has provided valuable information, please give it a like. That helps this video reach folks who also need to hear about these 3 secrets. Thanks again for watching this video. We'll catch you on the next one.